Okay, so in this video, we're going to see how to create or start Next.js project using the latest Next.js. So this is my age. Then we're going to search for Next.js latest. Let's go to the docs. Installation. So here it is. npx create next latest cd bar and npx create next app at latest. Okay, my Next.js app. TypeScript, yes. Is then no for now. Till when? Yes. Yes. No. So it will take some time. Alright, so let's go to my Next.js app. ls. Alright, so code. Okay, now that our terminal is open, let's run npm run dev. So we can now open our website in this link. Here it is, our website. So the next thing is we need to update some information here, and then let's start on a fresh. So from the side, so as you can see here, we need to update our layout PSX so that we can change some information what we see earlier and also on the page .tsx. So let's click that layout. This is the content of the layout. Here, let's change this metadata title into my React.js Next.js app. Let's say learning Next.js. You can then see that here. So there, my Next.js app, and I refresh it. Now we're going to remove this content. By opening the page tsx. Page tsx. See here. H1 hello world. And also we need to update the global CSS. Let's remove by executing. Okay. can see hello world. Yeah, the hello world.